How to fix Play Store not downloading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store not downloading on Android phone. First just go click on your profile here and then click settings and now click network preferences and click app download preferences. You will find it over Wi-Fi only, then just click over any network and click done and then just go back. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then just go to settings and then apps and click apps again. And now you need to find Play Store. Just type here Play Store and then click on it. Now click this one for stop and then go to storage and clear cache. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, just go to settings again and go back to apps and then Google Play Store. And now just go to storage and now all you need to do just clear data and click OK and then just go back. Now just restart your phone and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. I hope this video solves your problem, and that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.